Another day, another trip, my friends. We're off to a pretty waterfall with some very incredible wildlife today. It's a beautiful day. We went to the volcano yesterday. It was lovely. We're taking a lot of this is the same drive. We're going to drive about 20 minutes one way, and then we'll take a turn in a different direction. But I'm going to just share a little bit of this scenery with you guys and bring you along for the ride. Hope you enjoy.
This door to your left. You're gonna walk down the main trail and you're gonna see birds, insects, butterflies, monkeys, hummingbirds, snakes, jungle cats, orchid frogs, a traditional Costa Rican house, and right next to the house is gonna be a trail that's gonna take you to 5 different waterfalls. At the end, there's a shuttle bus that will bring you right back up to where we are right now.
Okay.
Wow. The whole tour takes around 2 to 2.5 hours, and the price for admission is $40 per person.
All right, we made it here. This place is absolutely spectacular. Look at the green. All right, guys, we're going in to see the animals now. Now, what I wanted to tell you about this place before I go in and start showing these animals is to let you know what they're about. Now, this is the monkeys, but we're going to get to the rescued jungle cats. And the center that previously housed these animals lost funding and had to close. The Costa Rica Ministry of the Environment didn't have funds to care for the 35 felines and other animals, so they were placed under the care of Paz Waterfalls. The cats were either very old, injured, or had been exposed to humans for too long to be released back into the wild. Their hope one day is to release the offspring of the cats back into the wild. And then some of the animals, such as the monkeys, were confiscated from people who held them illegally, and many of them were abused. So I just wanted to let you know this isn't a zoo. This isn't like illegally or captured animals. This is a project that's for conservationism and trying to get these critters back into the wild and take care of the ones that can't. So hope you enjoy. So what's up, buddy? Talk to me. What you doing over there? And as you can see, they make them a lot of nice. It's tough through this mesh, but they have like a lot of ropes and swings, so they do have habitat to run around in. Look at homeboy up there. Yeah. I love these guys. Well, hello.
Cool.
So yeah, as you can see, what I said in the beginning, none of these animals that you will see have been taken from their natural habitat. If you can't tell, this is the birds. Such a peaceful bird here.
That's too close.
I don't know my cats down here that well.
This guy's up on the cage.
Look, there, Mother. There, no, and there. Look, on there, on the melon.
No są watermelon. You don't think there is watermelon,
Para Dios. Compramos una. Uy, venga, vea, Diana. Ahora sí.
don't know if you'll hear a word that I'm saying, but this is amazing out here. If you ever get down to Costa Rica, you have got to come to the Paz Waterfall Gardens. This place is one of the coolest places I've seen in 17 years down here in Costa Rica. Amazing.